Hi there everybody, my name is Ali and today I will be going to solve OS command injection lab number 4 from Web Security Academy, which is blind OS command injection with out of band interaction. And in the previous lab what we did was we redirected our output of a command into a file and we accessed that file, but the condition was that we should have a writable directory and we should know its path as well, but that is a very best case scenario, because in modern cases we are not having any path or any structure of the web server. So we will see how we can deal with that thing in this lab. So that being said, let's jump in. Now coming to the lab, over here we have blind voice command injection with out of band interaction, and this lab says that this lab contains a blind voice command injection vulnerability in the feedback function, and the application executes a shell command containing a user supply details. The command is executed asynchronously and has no effect on the application's response. It is not possible to redirect output into a location that you can access. However, you can trigger out of band interaction. And what out of band interaction is that we can try to call the server which we are attacking to our own server. That is called out of band interaction somehow. So it says to solve the lab, exploit the OS command injection vulnerability to issue a DNS lookup to burp collaborator. So for this you should have the collaborator extension installed, which we have already done. So coming to the lab, it says let's directly jump over to submit feedback button right over here, and I will again switch my burp suite on, and my burp suite is running in the backend. Test again, just like the previous labs, test and test here again, submit the feedback, and here we have the post request. Send a request to repeater, control R, control shift R to move into it, and control space to enter. And the email parameter was vulnerable, so I will directly jump over to the email parameter, and let's try to see how we can do out of band interaction. So out of band means that this server will call my server. So but the question here is that how can I get my own server? And Burp Suite Professional provides us collaborator, which is the best way to do these things. So I can simply copy these things over here, and it says copy to clipboard, and I will paste this URL wherever I want to test for out of band injections. And when I will click on poll now, if I got a hit, this will get it. So let's try now. So one way we can try to do is to do DNS request to my own server. I can use ns lookup. So if I do ns lookup and paste the URL of collaborator, there is a space, so I will manually do +sign and hit send. I should get a hit if there is command injection. So poll now, and there you go. I see I got 2 DNS requests, and these are the requests coming from that web server. So this means there is blind OS command injection over here, and this is out of band OS command injection. So if I come back over here, I do have solved the lab, and I know your question will be like, how can I exploit this one? So we will solve that thing in our next lab. So that was all about this video. I hope you will like it, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.